Hi kids, today we are going to continue our lesson ear to ear. This is the part 2 of this lesson. In first part we saw different animal having a different kinds of ears. In fact, some animals ears we can see, but some animals ears we cannot see, but they all have ears even though we cannot see them easily. In this picture you can see sparrow, parrot and crow is there. So means that birds have all these birds having a ears, but we cannot see. A bird has a tiny holes on the both side of its head. Generally the holes are covered with the feathers, means all these birds also having a ears, but they are hidden under the feathers. They help the birds to hear, and you know that very well that ears help us to hear. मतलब हमारे जो कान होते हैं, बर्ड्स के कान होते हैं, वो हियरिंग के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. देन इन दिस नेक्स्ट वी हैव हियर सम पिक्चर्स ऑफ एनिमल्स. ओके, लिजार्ड, क्रोकोडाइल, ऑल दीज एनिमल्स ऑल्सो हैविंग ईयर्स, बट वी कैन नॉट ईजिली स्पॉट देम. हम उनको देख नहीं सकते, बट द ऑल दीज एनिमल्स हैविंग ईयर्स. ओके, देन इन फर्स्ट वीडियो वी सॉ that means how we can recognize animals by their ears. Let us see if we can recognize animals by their skin. Okay, here are given some skin pattern and animals are given here. Now we have then what we have to do, we have to match the animal skin with their picture. Means here are the given of the animal skin. एनिमल के स्किन के पैटर्न दिए हैं और हमें ये एनिमल्स को मैच करने हैं. सो यू कैन ईजिली डू दिस एक्टिविटी और यू कैन ईजिली मैच दिस स्किन पैटर्न टू दैट एनिमल. ओके, means it means that the different pattern on the animals are due to their hair on their skin. मतलब ये जो animals यहाँ पे दिए गए हैं इनके skin पे hairs होते हैं, बाल होते हैं, और उसकी वजह से इस तरह का pattern तैयार होता है. And by seeing this pattern we can easily identify the animals. Have you ever seen any animals without hair or whose hair have been removed? Imagine how the animals would look if it did not have any hairs on the skin. There would be नो पैटर्न. मीन्स अगर हेयर्स नहीं होंगे तो वहाँ पे पैटर्न नहीं बनेगा और हम उनको ईजिली आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते, उनको रिकग्नाइज नहीं कर सकते वो एनिमल्स के. यू माइट हैव सीन some of the animals given below. Here are some given the name of animals. So I think everyone have seen these animal. Then what we have to do, we have to put these animals name in the given list. Here are 4 lists are given. First, in first list we have to write the names of the animals whose ears can be seen. So these animals are elephant, fox, pig, mouse, cat, buffalo, camel and crow. Means all these animals ears we can see. Next list we have has the hairs on skin. Means we have to write the name, animal's name who has the hairs on the skin. These animals are fox, elephant, pig, माउस, कैट, बफेलो, कैमल, काऊ. ये सब के जो एनिमल्स है इन सब के बॉडी पे उनके स्किन पे क्या होता है, हेयर्स होते हैं. एंड देन नेक्स्ट लिस्ट वी हैव ईयर्स कैन नॉट बी सीन. मीन्स हम उनके ईयर्स नहीं देख पाते. देन यू नो वेरी वेल दीज एनिमल्स नेम. दीज आर स्पैरो, पिजन, फ्रॉक, क्रो, पीकॉक, डक, हेन, लिजार्ड. We cannot see their ears. Okay, next list we have has feathers on the skin. So these animals are sparrow, pigeon, crow, peacock, hen and duck. All so these are the animals who has a feathers on the skin. Now here 2 lists are given in which we have to write animals names who give. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर डॉग इज़ हियर. ओके, तो डॉग के जो बॉडी पे है पैटर्न तैयार होता है क्योंकि उसके बॉडी पे क्या होते हैं, छोटे छोटे बाल होते हैं, हेयर्स होते हैं. एंड उसके कान भी दिखते हैं. तो वो क्या जो डॉग है वो क्या है, यंग वंस को दैट डॉग गिव्स birth to young ones. Okay, look at this animal, write its name. Do you know that this is our national animal? In this picture you can see tiger. Okay, means uh, there tiger's picture is there. The tiger is our national animal. Okay, so where does it live? It lives in a jungle or forest. The number of these animals are going down in India. Discuss why could be happening. क्यों, मतलब इनकी जो डे बाय डे इंडिया में टाइगर्स कम हो रहे हैं. Why this is going to happen? Because the numbers of tigers are going down in India due to the various reason. Some of them are people hunt tigers for their bones and skin. People are cutting down forest. So all these मतलब ये सब रीजन है, उसकी वजह से जो टाइगर्स है वो कम हो रहे हैं. ओके, आवर चैप्टर इज ओवर.